In this video, I will show you how much money I earned from ElevenLabs for my voice in a month and whether it was enough for coffee. Show the potential earnings of other authors in this program. Share my opinion on what could bring more income. And discuss the key points you need to know if you want to clone your voice and monetize it on ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is a leading public text-to-speech platform known for its high-quality voice synthesis technology. It also allows voice actors to earn money. They can upload their recordings, which are then converted into voice clones and added to a public library. Users of the platform can select these voices for various projects. Each time a voice clone is used, the author receives a small payment, roughly 3 cents per 1,000 characters. This program was launched just 3 months ago. Here is where the voice is added. I won't show the step-by-step process as it's very straightforward, but if you need help, feel free to ask in comments. I'll help. Here's my voice. I added it on April 18th and today is May 19th. As you can see, there's a wide range in the usage of characters. The lowest usage is probably on this day. Only 3,000 characters, and the highest here, 154,000 characters. In terms of money, it's quite funny. I've earned $11.65 in a month. But as you can hear, my voice is no Frank Sinatra. Although I'll show later that compared to others, my position is not that bad. This is my first month, and the program has been public for only 3 months. So let's see how it goes. Oh yes, I promised to say whether earned money is enough for coffee. For 10 euros in Ireland, I can buy a kilo of coffee beans on sale, so you could say it's enough for coffee. Here you can find all the voices. Russian is not my native language, but since I speak it better than English, I recorded my voice in Russian. And here's my voice on the Russian list. Considering that about 210 million people speak Russian worldwide, the competition here is close to nothing. Among Russian speakers, I am 11th out of 19. 518 people added my voice to their collection and used 1 million characters. Since 1 million characters are roughly 10 euros, it will be very easy to calculate the potential earnings of other authors. Among Russian speakers, Nikolai is the winner at the moment. Although he recorded his voice in English with a Russian accent. He has 12.5 million used characters, which amounts to about 120 euros. It's impossible to say over what period he earned this. 3 months, a month like me, or a week. In the informative and educational category, where I placed my voice, the top spot goes to a young female with an Australian accent. She has 1,042 million used characters, which amounts to approximately 10,500 euros. Again, it's impossible to say over what period she earned this, but even if divided by 3, it's quite a decent passive income. The highest earnings on the platform belong to Marcus. He earned around 22,000 euros. It's impossible to determine over what time, but I'm fairly confident that I was using this voice much earlier than 3 months ago. Perhaps he is one of the beta testers. The last 2 mentioned amounts are, I think, approximately what a voice actor or a person with a well-trained voice can expect. I believe that professional voice actors have an excellent chance to earn even more. For example, in the characters and animation category, I tried to find something suitable for a cartoon, but I found very few. Mostly standard voices. Yes, high quality, well-trained, but standard. There's almost no distinction compared to other categories. Of course, I haven't checked everything, and there may be more such voices. But I think this is still a good opportunity for professionals. Not sure, but I think this field includes not only voices for cartoon and animation, but also various other genres. And of course, speakers of other languages have good chances due to low competition. For example, in Ukrainian, we see only 3 authors. In Polish, Portuguese, Indian, they have few authors. And even Chinese, there are only 4 authors. If you decide to clone your voice and make some money from it, there are a few key points you need to know. First, to receive payments, you need a Stripe account. At the moment, this is the only payment platform ElevenLabs works with. Second, you will need to record a 30-minute clip of your voice. This doesn't have to be a continuous clip. You can combine and upload multiple recordings, as long as they total more than 30 minutes. Ideally, you should record 2 hours of your voice. Third, after you upload your recordings, you will need to go through verification. You will need to read 1 or more prompts that appear on the screen. So you need a microphone and your voice should match the recording. The prompts are always different, so you can't use a pre-recorded voice to get through. Fourth, to use voice cloning, you need to subscribe to the Creator Plan. If these conditions don't scare you, you can find the program link in the description of this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.